Hey guys, so I'm really quickly just going to run you through routes inside Flyra. I want to show you the whole process from creating a route to assigning it to your employees. So here on sidebar, let's go to routes. Cool. So let's go ahead and create a new route. So first of all, let's select the jobs for this route. So we can filter by status, city, search, date range. I'm actually going to filter these because I don't want to do this for 110 jobs. So let's just do date range this week. That should do. Awesome. So let's just go ahead and continue to build. Here you can set a grouping for your route. So basically what this is going to do is that if you have 8 jobs in your route, it's going to divide them by distance threshold and by jobs per group. So if you have jobs that are further than 5 miles from each other, it's going to separate them into 2 different routes. And if you have more than 4 jobs, and your jobs per group is set to 4, then it's going to create 2 groups. A group is basically like a mini route inside the route. This is so that you don't have a route that has jobs that are too far from each other, or a route with 6 jobs, for example, because that would be unmanageable. So now let's go ahead and optimize route. Cool, so as you can see, this route was created. Very visual here. You can see first stop, second stop, third stop, fourth stop. You see both the routes have been created. And now let's go ahead and see what we can do for each route. So you can select a date, a time, and you can assign an employee. What this is going to do is that when you select a date, so let's say I select February 26th, all these jobs are going to be selected for this time, or scheduled for this time on February 26th, starting from the start time at 9 a.m. You can also assign an employee to this route, which means that this employee is going to be automatically assigned to all of these. And same here, let's just do February 26th. Let's pick Ryan Scott again. I'm just gonna leave this one unassigned. Cool. You can also make these a recurring route, which means you can set a frequency, so you can do this every week, every month, every quarter, every 6 months, yearly, for this long. So let's just go ahead and publish the routes. It's going to ask if you want to send this confirmation message, so appointment confirmed. Just not going to send it. Click publish routes. Cool, so as you can see, the route is now published with these jobs and these times. I'm gonna go to scheduling. Okay, so these jobs are very small, so they look, okay, cool. So as you can see, all of the jobs were created for the times we set on the route. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of how it goes. Also, as you can see, all of them were assigned to the employee Ryan Scott, as we set it to. And yeah, that's how Flyra makes it really easy to create routes and assign them to your technicians.